Our old spell of weather continued. Morning we had a real dose of rain through the rush hour, nearly an inch in parts of Scotland, accompanied by a brisk wind. But that low pressure is now moving out into the North Sea, and under a ridge of high pressure this afternoon we should see some fine weather. But it's not set to last. Look what develops behind my head here. This low pressure rushes its way in towards our shores. That's set to bring some even wetter and windier weather for tomorrow. But let's pick up on today's rain first of all. Still around in eastern parts of England and Scotland, down through the south and the east as well. And it'll be here where it takes longest to brighten up. You can see how much cloud we've got hanging back. So I think the afternoon will bring further rainfall in southern and eastern areas up through the northeast of mainland Scotland. The rain hanging on for the Northern Isles for much of the day. But as the rain clears away, the skies will brighten, the sun will come out, and it'll just be a peppering of showers, most of those for northern and western areas. But a blustery breeze we do have today, which means it feels quite fresh if you're out and about. I think the blusteriest winds through the afternoon will be through the eastern side of England and Scotland, to the east of the Pennines, for example. But then the winds start to ease, not for long though. They start to pick up once again this evening and tonight, and those moist southwesterly winds will bring in with them plenty of rain. So we'll say goodbye to the high pressure as we go through the night, and wet and windy weather will return for many by dawn. But under a high pressure ridge in the south and east, it should be a rather fine night, if rather chilly to start, although temperatures will pick up as we go through the night, picking up that southerly wind. So a wet and a windy start to Thursday once again. If anything, some wetter weather around tomorrow morning and stronger winds. Potentially we could see some localised flooding, I suppose, across western Scotland, Northern Ireland, perhaps through into Cumbria as well. And that rain will gradually slip its way southwards and eastwards through the day. Will be replaced by brighter, showery weather in the north of Scotland and through Northern Ireland, but those winds will really be a feature come tomorrow afternoon. Potentially some severe gales in the far north, gusts up to 65 miles an hour, but it is September, we do expect that at this time of year. That low pressure is still around for Friday, but this is where the problem occurs. This weather front will become slow moving across southern parts. It's a little bit difficult to say at this stage exactly where it's going to be, but it looks as if the southern half of the country will see a lot of cloud through Friday and through the weekend, and some spells of rain. And that's because we'll see these areas of low pressure running along that weather system. To the north, much fresher, but still that blustery wind bringing in plenty of showers through Friday and Saturday, but a good deal of fine and dry weather, particularly across eastern parts of Scotland and northeast England. But we'll see the rain pushing in once again through the second half of Saturday, moving its way northwards, and there will always be a lot of cloud in the south and a rather muggy feel. But we've got some wet weather elsewhere in Europe as well. Some thunderstorms around through Turkey, the Black Sea,